Hello everyone, I'm very much excited about my new creations. In this demonstration video, I will share you how you can create a video voiceover script within a second from your documentation, from your blog post or anything, or video voiceover script for your social media post, for your product demonstration, for your tutorials videos or anything you need for your company overview, or if you have any information, or if you don't have any information, it's available in the public on the web. ChatGPT will handle for you. I'm talking about a GPT for ChatGPT. So if you are a free user or pro user, don't have to hesitate, because for free users you will definitely use that. So I have created a video voiceover script generator. So mostly I use the ChatGPT to create a voiceover script. Sorry, there is no lie, because it helped me to create a static voiceover scripts based on my documentation and so. But the problem is here, I have to give the same type of prompts to get same type of results, but most of the cases GPT failed to give me this kind of same type of results. I have to tweak the thing. There is lots of back and forth to work. So to optimize or optimize the process, I have created a GPT. I give it a name as a voice over script generator. I hope you will like it. So I have created the GPT version and it's published in the GPT library. So if you search for voice over script generator, definitely will get this search, and you can use it. After clicking it here, you will get this interface. There is some information what you can do it, and here is the conversation starter. You can select any one of these and you can start it from here, or you can just paste it your content here and it will give you a video script. So moving forward, I will share some interesting results. So here is the results created by the video script created by one of my colleagues. He is maintaining, Mr. Tanvir Faisal. He's maintaining WP Hive. So he just give just a single prompt, single one line for W Hive is WordPress repository. Based on my templated factors and keyframes, so then it gives some informations. It asks for informations what actually you want, what you want to do. This is a target audience, desired derivations. Is for if you don't have any information, you can give it a blank, or just if you have this information you will get a better output from this GPT. So moving forward, he didn't give anything. He just gave the another one line information or prompt like 2 minutes in playful tone for social media, nothing more than that. And ChatGPT done its job. It's very perfectly as per his concerns. I am very much surprised with the results as well, because I know about the W5 as well. The result is very interesting. So in the result you see the visual demonstration, how we can demonstrate the introduction part, and that narrator is the mainly voiceover part, and then you will get the sound effect, how you can get the sound effect information, or you can the transitions, how you can make a transition effect for you. It will help you in a broad way, because if you're creating a video tutorials, if you don't have any better idea, or you're getting same type of things, then these type of information keep you up, give your brain a food to create different type of tutorial videos for you. So these are the very information, and it gives a 5 scenes, and which are nearly perfect as per my colleagues informations recommend review. So moving forward, what I have done here, I just give a deep documentation information. So I just use a just select the conversation starter prompt, then it gives the another type of things, what type of things it can be done. So I didn't bother anything, I just give the documentation copy, and it give me these results. You can see the informations are perfect. It doesn't break any, or it doesn't miss any technical aspects, and also fix everything. I literally like it, and it saved the time a lot. I don't have to tweak anymore. If you need anything, I can tweak it. Now let's these are the results. This is the results which I get. Now moving forward, if I want to create a same type of content, I have already selected these features, this global best feature. Just copy it here. I just am copying. This is a feature documentations I have created for the global best feature of happy items, written by me actually. So I want to make a video voice over script for this feature. So what I will do, I just jump in my voice over script generator, then just simply paste it here. I will not write anything, just paste it here and hit the enter button. Here is a professional engaged voice over script for a tutorial video on using Happy Aaron's global batch features in Elementor. So I didn't tell anything to the ChatGPT or this voice over script generators. It gives me this interesting welcome to this quick guide on using global batch feature from Happy Aaron's. Wow, really. Before you begin, ensure that these are the requirement things, and you will get the visual information, sounds informations, ideas, actually transitions, how you can make the transitions. So I feel this is super cool. Like, I want to tweak it. I need a better one with playful tone. Just I give a randomly uh, prompt here. So hey there, web wizards, ready to sprinkle some widgets onto your Elementor websites. Widgets. Let's dive into the global batch features from Happy Aaron's. Oh, that's super cool. I really like it. And if you have any if you have any voiceover artists, just give the narrator part to them, and you will get interesting part. And if you have any animator, then give the visual information. It will create an amazing, it will help them to create an amazing animations or effects for your videos. I hope this will help you to create an stunning voiceover scripts and give you an idea of how you can create a video tutorial or anything you want. I hope this will help you in the long run, and it will save your time, because it's mainly trained for the voice over script generator. I literally believe it will save your time, and morely you can focus on more interesting parts of your product related works. So try this GPT and share your opinion. I hope you will like it, and if you don't like it, then definitely share with me. I can fix it. I will try to fix it and share with your video editor team. Then definitely they can make it beneficial for them as well. So that's it. If you need this voiceover script generator GPT, I will share the link in the description as well as in my Twitter account, and you can find it in the GPT store. I hope you guys will like it. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.